Welcome to Measureless Wisdom. So, we are going to start R.S. Agarwal Maths of Class 6, Chapter-1, Number System. So, first of all, I would like to introduce this chapter. So, you all know that numbers are very important in mathematics. We also studied in primary classes. And now we will extend the study to have the ideas of large numbers. It means that I will explain in this class. You have to expand everything. The numbers will be also expanded by use yourself. So first of all, notation. What is notation? Here you can see notation. What is notation? Writing a number in figures as well as in words. Even we write any number as 5 or as in English F5, then it is called notation. So our next topic is numeration. Here you can see numeration. Writing a number in words is called numeration. It is a number we write in this way 5 in words, so it is called numeration. Means that its value is also put here, but it is mostly written in the words. So notation, you understand that the writing a number in a figure as well as word is known as notation. Notation and numerations are similar but not more similar because in numeration you have only option to write, but in notation you have two options, that you can write in words or you can write in figures and other things. Okay, so our next topic is Hindu Arabic system of writing numbers. In Hindu Arabic system we use 10 symbols, namely 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and 9, so called digits or figures to represent any number. You have learned in primary classes that 0 1 2 3 4, you can see here that the symbols are represented, what is the symbol of the numbers, and it is also written as digits as well as figures. So you can represent in two ways these numbers. So we go to the next point. A group of digits denoting a number is called numeral. When a group of digits, you know that we write like 519, it is called group of words because there are three words 519, but it is the forming new number. The new number is 590, so it is called numerals. Denoting a number is called numerals. This type of formation is known as numerals. A group of digits denoting a number is called numerals. Means that when two or more than numbers will gather, then it will make a numerals. So our next topic, we use place value system to represent a number. We also use the place value system as to represent a number. You can see in this part, this in down, that there is showing it is showing the numbers in the system, place value system. It is the system in which we put the numbers according to the system. So we will read in upcoming time. So first of all, we are going to the next topic, and our next topic is, for a given numerals we start from the extreme right as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, lakhs, 10 lakh, etc. It is the form, you can say, that we can write this. These are the some periods, but not now we can call it periods, but it is also the part of the number system which represents at ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, etc. There are more now in upcoming. So our next topic is periods. You can see here periods. What is periods? Periods, like we have studied in recently, that the periods are many. There are many types of divided in many types. So there are periods: crores, lakhs, thousands, and hundreds. You can see here it is written crores, lakhs, thousands, and hundreds are known as periods. These are the periods which are divided in many parts. You can see here, but it is not divided now. We will divide in upcoming time. So this is the parts which are divided, and they form the numerical place value systems. Okay, so it creates the place value. Our next topic is separating periods in Hindu-Arabic system. The various periods are, we can in this point we have separated it in Hindu-Arabic system. It means that there are two types of system. In Hindu-Arabic system, that is known as Indian system, but its real name is Hindu-Arabic system, and the second is international system. International means it is used in all over the world, but Hindu-Arabic system is used in India, so it is also known as Indian system. Still now you all have understood, so I am going to the next point. This point you have understand as well, as I would like to repeat it, that the various periods are crores, lakhs, thousands, hundreds, plus tens, plus ones. In this you can see there are three plus points in this place. 3 plus point. Why here is 3 plus point? Because it is known as 3 plus points, means that it is the value of ones, tens, hundreds this way, so it is written as in this way. So you must be confused in this topic. So there is no issue of this writing, because there is no any confusion, there is no other things, etc. There is equal. It is like this. It is ones, tens, hundreds, and if there is one or more, then it will be thousand, and then if I will add 4, then it will be 10,000. In this way it will grow up, and it will go to the next points, and it will be many. So I am going to the next topic. The next topic is our face value of a digit in a numeral. It means that face value, the value that we can see, we are watching the value like this. The face value of a digit remains as it is, whatever place it may be occupying in the place value chart. It means that in the place value chart, the number is occupying whatever it is occupying, but its value will be remain same. It means that it means what? Thus the face of a 4 is always 4 whenever it may be. It means that if here is the position, it will be also 4. If here is its position, then it will be 4. It means that if we see its face, then its value is same. And the next topic is also similar to this topic, so I would like to go to the next topic. The next topic is place value of a digit in a numerals. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. It means that in first we see the face. It means that we see 4, then it remains 4, but now it will be not 4, because this 4 will be 4,000, because once because once tens, 100,000, 10,000, it will be 40,000. I have slipped my tongue, so it is 40,000 now, and if the 4 will be here, then its value will be 400. So here will be change the value according to the place value table, place value chart. So you can see here example, if 5 occurs at one's place, its value is 5 into 1. It will be same because here its place is once, but in the next example we can see that here its place is 10, so we have to multiply with 10, so the number form is 50. You can see here 50. So we are going to the next topic. The next topic is international system of international system of numeration. So in this we can see that in this we can see that in 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 the international system of numeration adopted by all the countries through the world, place value chart shown as shown is as follows. It means that in international system numeration, we came to the international system numeration. I have told in recently that we will learn in coming time about international systems. We have learned in recently that Hindu Arabic system is also known as Indian system. So there will be not confusion between them, so you can differentiate it easily. So now our topic is international system of numeration. So international system of numeration. What is international system of numeration? It means that it is used in all over the world. It is not common because Hindu Arabic system is common. It is used only in few countries, not every countries. In the few countries there is India also. So that's why international system has been putted, because if anyone have confusion, and if anyone have confusion because there is many types of systems, so they will be confused. And if there is one common system, then there will be no confusion, because international system is used everywhere, but their own systems are also used, as well as the international system is also used. So there is no problem, and we get one type of provisions, and there we are not confused, and we get everything properly, and we are able to know about it. So there is easy, it makes easy, and it is common. That's why we have to learn it, because if we go to the other countries, then we must not be confused that here Hindu Arabic system is used, as well as Hindu Arabic system is also used, and you have to learn, because in India the Hindu Arabic system is used, so you must learn it, and the international system will help you in future. So now we will see the system. So now we will see the systems of. In this I have created two types of systems in one table, so don't be confused. So now we will understand it very clearly. If you understand this table clearly, then it will help you, and there will be not confusion, and you will understand the table very clearly. So first of all, we see this table. In this table I have created two types of system. In first, you can see here international system, and second Indian system. So don't be confused about it. There are two types of systems. In this systems, international system, and this line in this row you can see Indian system. So there is no confusion. You first of all we will start from this point, from one's place. So I am going to start from the one's place. From one's place you can see it is international system. So in international system it is also ones and it is also ones, and in international second is tens, and in Indian also tens, and in international hundreds, and in Indian also hundred. This point is common in Indian and international system. So don't be confused. Indian means Arabic Hindu system. So there is no confusion. You must not be confused here. So in coming next, we can see in international there is 1000, and in Indian 1000, and international 10,000 and Indian 10,000. Still here we have learned same, that in Indian and in international both are same. This is international, this is Indian, so don't be confused about it. Now we will learn more about it, but still now you must understand that how Indian and international system is. Still now there is no confusion, there is no difference between it, and you will little confused that it is Indian or international if a number is written and it this at this type of in this type of in this type of in this type of points. So there will be confusion. If we will go more front, then if we will go ahead, then we will see that there is difference. What is the difference? You can see here that 100,000 in international and in Indian lakh. It means that one in Indian 1 lakh equals to international 100,000. The currency or the number is denoted as 100,000 in international, but in Indian it is denoted as lakh. It is used for written, as well as it is also used for numbering. Numbering means when we pronounce, and it is mostly used in writing, because we write 1 lakhs, so it is written. And we also write in international way. If we will write, then we will write 100,000 in this way. Okay, 100,000, you can write it very clearly. Here is written, you can see. So here is no doubt that these both are different, and I would like to explain you that in ahead you also face these types of problems and these types of new things. So you must remember the table very very clearly, that you have no problem. So I would like to go ahead. Then in ahead there is also different. So what is the different now? The different is millions. This term is in international but not in Indian. It is lakh term in Indian, and it is crore term. So there will be no confusion between these terms. So you must be clear about it. Here I would like to denote everything as well as clearly. So here we see these are, it is in Indian lakh, lakh, and in Indian this is crore. Okay, but it is international. So here is this type of grouping, that millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, and other. So there will be continued, but till numbers are used mostly, and not more. So if we use more, then you have to not be confused about it. So if anyone says that the income of Ram is 1 billion, then in Indian currency its value is, you can see that 1 billion equals to 100 crores. then 100 crores. HC मतलब 100, HC means 100 crores. 100 crores means he earns 100 crore, it earns 100 crores. Okay, if anyone says he earns 10 billions, it means he earns 1000 crores in Indian system, and with international system it is 10 billion. So you have listened about 10 billion, 1 million, 100 million, 10 million, so you were confused. So but from now you must not be confused at this point. You can see here that million, 10 in million, if in international millions, and in Indians it is known as 10 lakh. It means that its value is different. It value is not sorry, it value is not different, but its name is different in both cases, in both studies. So you have to not be confused about it. There is no any hard thing and no any tough thing that you can't understand. So there is no problem will come here, and still now you have understand everything. And is there any problem, then you can ask me in the comment box. If you want to understand this table more and more, then I will make one video of this table alone. So please comment me, and please give me feedback, and thank you for listening, and thank you for learning. So you should must continue your learning. There is importance of learning, so please learn. Thank you.